Let's talk about canned meat, a pantry staple we rarely think about. It's one of those humble foods that quietly sits on our shelves, always ready to save the day when we need a quick meal or a reliable backup. But behind every can is a fascinating story of transformation, tradition, and trust. Ever wonder how fresh meat ends up in that sealed can, ready to last for years? The journey from farm to factory floor is a blend of science and craftsmanship, ensuring that what you eat is both safe and delicious. It's a process that's evolved over generations, yet still relies on the same core principles: quality, care, and respect for the ingredient. Today we're stepping inside a craft cannery, where tradition and skill turn raw meat into a shelf-stable classic. Here, every batch is a testament to the expertise of the people behind the scenes, people who take pride in their work and understand the importance of every detail, from sourcing to sealing. It all starts with trusted suppliers and a focus on quality, often just meat and a pinch of sea salt. The selection process is rigorous, with only the best cuts making it through. This commitment to quality is what sets craft canneries apart from mass production. No artificial preservatives, no mystery ingredients, just simple, honest food that you can feel good about serving to your family. The ingredient list is refreshingly short, and that's by design. Because when you start with great meat, you don't need to hide it behind additives. Workers here are more than employees, they're guardians of a time-honored process. Many have spent years perfecting their craft, passing down knowledge from one generation to the next. Their hands and eyes are trained to spot the smallest imperfections, ensuring only the best makes it into each can. The factory floor is spotless, machines are prepped, and every team member knows their role. Hygiene and precision are non-negotiable, with strict protocols in place to maintain the highest standards of food safety. Every surface is sanitized, every tool inspected, and every step carefully monitored. The mission: transform fresh, perishable meat into a safe, delicious product that honors both the ingredient and the customer. This transformation is a delicate balance of technology and tradition, where modern equipment meets age-old techniques to lock in flavor and nutrition. Human expertise is at the heart of every step. Machines can automate much of the process, but it's the skilled workers who make the critical decisions, checking temperatures, inspecting texture, and ensuring consistency from can to can. So next time you open a can, remember the journey. One built on generations of refinement and dedication. Each can is a small piece of history connecting you to the people and practices that have kept this tradition alive. From the moment chilled meat arrives, it's handled with care. Temperature is closely monitored, and every delivery is inspected for freshness and quality before it even enters the production line. This isn't just about making food, it's about preserving it right. Vacuum sealing and careful canning protect the meat from spoilage, locking in flavor and nutrients so you can enjoy it months or even years later. Let's dive into the first, and perhaps most critical step: the careful inspection and preparation of the meat itself. This is where quality is truly defined, setting the stage for everything that follows. Every day, the journey of quality meat begins long before it reaches your table. When a new shipment arrives at the facility, the quality control manager is the first to greet it, setting the tone for everything that follows. Their presence signals the start of a meticulous process, where nothing is left to chance, and every detail matters. The first step is documentation. Lot codes are carefully logged, with each batch assigned a unique identifier. This ensures that every piece of meat can be traced all the way back to its farm of origin, providing full transparency and accountability. If any issue arises later, this record-keeping allows for swift action and complete traceability. Next comes the crucial temperature check. Using precise digital thermometers, the team verifies that the meat has remained at the correct cold temperature throughout its journey. This step is vital, as even a slight rise in temperature can compromise safety and freshness. If the meat is found to be too warm, the entire shipment is immediately rejected, no exceptions. This strict policy protects both the company's reputation and the health of its customers. Only after passing these initial tests does the meat earn the right to enter the facility. This is a privilege, not a guarantee, and only the best shipments make it through. Inside, the process becomes even more hands-on. A skilled butcher trained to spot even the smallest imperfections inspects each cut for color, texture, and marbling. Their expertise ensures that only meat of the highest quality moves forward. Excess fat is carefully trimmed away, and only the most desirable pieces are selected for further processing. This step is about more than just appearance. It's about flavor, tenderness, and consistency. Here, the process blends artistry and science. No machine can replicate the trained eye and steady hand of a master butcher, who can judge quality in a single glance. Every piece is logged, checked, and inspected again, with detailed records kept at every stage. This rigorous approach sets a high standard from the very beginning. Any meat that doesn't meet these standards is set aside, never making it further into the process. Without this level of scrutiny, the final product would never reach the level of excellence customers expect. It's a repetitive, sometimes tedious job, but it's absolutely essential. The team's focus and dedication at this stage lay the foundation for everything that comes next. Once the meat has passed all inspections, it's neatly arranged and stamped with a mark of approval. This is more than just a label, it's a promise of quality. With the first and most critical test complete, the meat is ready to move deeper into the facility. Now, the real transformation begins. Approved meat heads to the butcher station for preparation. Large cuts are broken down into uniform strips, then fed into a dicing machine. The goal perfect, 1-inch cubes for even cooking and consistent quality. The butcher's skill ensures only the best parts are used. The dicing machine delivers speed and precision, turning strips into thousands of identical cubes. This partnership of human expertise and machinery is key. Uniform cubes mean every can is filled evenly and cooks perfectly. The transformation from raw cut to ready-to-can cubes is complete. Quality is maintained at every step. Now, these cubes are ready for their final home, the can. Next up, the careful process of filling. At the filling station, workers hand-pack cubes into empty cans. This isn't just repetitive work, it's a final inspection. Workers spot and remove any imperfect pieces, ensuring only the best make it in. The human touch here is irreplaceable. Each can is filled with care, not too tight or loose. The filling line is the last defense for quality. Once satisfied, workers send the cans down the line. Every can reflects the pride and attention of the team. Now, it's time for the finishing touches. Next, a single cube of pure sea salt is added to each can, no more, no less. The salt seasons and helps preserve the meat naturally. Each can is weighed on a digital scale for precise contents. Underweight cans get a few more cubes, overweight ones are adjusted. This hands-on process ensures fairness and consistency. In larger factories, machines might do this, but here, it's all about human precision. Every can is perfectly portioned, just meat and salt. No shortcuts, just careful attention to detail. Once the weight is right, the can moves on. The next step, sealing and freshness. The can is now ready for the crucial airtight seal. Let's see how that's done. Before sealing, cans pass through a steam tunnel, forcing out air and prepping for an airtight seal. The closing machine compresses the meat, creates headspace, and places the lid. Double seaming locks the lid and can together, forming a watertight, airtight barrier. This seam is what keeps canned food safe for years. The machine also stamps a lot code for traceability. Now, the can is a sealed vessel, ready for the final transformation. The preheating, headspace, and double seam all work together to lock in freshness. With the lot code in place, every can is traceable. The can is now ready for the pressure cooker. Let's see how science makes it shelf-stable. Sealed cans are loaded into a massive pressure cooker or retort. Steam fills the chamber, raising temperature and pressure far above boiling. This destroys all microorganisms, ensuring safety and long shelf life. Inside, the meat cooks gently in its own juices, becoming tender and flavorful. The salt dissolves, perfectly seasoning the meat. No added water or artificial flavors, just pure natural cooking. After the precise cooking time, pressure is released slowly to protect the cans. The meat is now fully cooked, sterile and safe for years. This is the scientific heart of canning. Next, the cans cool and get ready for their final steps. After cooking, cans are carefully removed and set aside to cool. As they cool, a vacuum forms, pulling the lid down and confirming a perfect seal. Any can without this concave lid is pulled for inspection. Cans must also dry completely before labeling, Moisture can ruin labels or cause rust. This quiet hour of cooling and drying is essential. Once cool and dry, cans move to the packaging area. The most intense steps are done. Now it's about presentation. The meat inside is safe, tender, and preserved. Time for the finishing touches. As the cans make their way down the production line, they are carefully loaded into the labeling machine, a crucial step that marks the transition from a simple metal container to a recognizable product on store shelves. But before any labels are applied, a team of vigilant workers inspects each can for dents, scratches, or any sign of imperfection. This hands-on quality control ensures that only the best cans continue on their journey, protecting both the product and the brand's reputation. Only cans with flawless seals and pristine surfaces are allowed to move forward, guaranteeing that every can is safe, secure, and ready for the next stage. The labeling machine then springs into action, swiftly wrapping each can with a vibrant branded label. This not only provides essential information, like ingredients and nutritional facts, but also gives the product its unique identity, making it stand out on crowded shelves. Next, a high-speed industrial printer stamps each can with a clear best buy date. This date is more than just a number, it's a promise that the contents inside will remain at peak quality for up to 5 years, thanks to the science of canning. With their labels and dates in place, the cans are now fully dressed and ready for the world, gleaming as they travel down the conveyor belt toward the final stages of production. Skilled workers then pack the finished cans into sturdy cardboard boxes, seal them tightly, and carefully stack them in the warehouse, preparing them for shipment to stores and homes around the world. From the initial preparation of fresh meat to the final sealing and labeling, every step in the process is deliberate, methodical, and focused on delivering the highest quality product possible. It all starts with simple, wholesome ingredients, combined with careful inspection and proven scientific methods. This combination is what gives canned meat its remarkable shelf life and consistent taste. The entire process is built on a foundation of pride, precision, and a commitment to excellence, with every worker and machine playing a vital role in the final outcome. The result is a clean, simple, and reliably good staple, one that has earned its place in pantries everywhere for generations. So the next time you open a can, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took, from raw ingredients to a finished product, ready to nourish and satisfy. Behind every can is a story of skill, teamwork, and unwavering dedication, with countless hands and minds working together to ensure quality and safety. That's the craft of canning, done right, with care, precision, and pride in every single can.